Hello friends, welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Ali. So today I brought you a subject of financial reporting, and we are going to create a balance sheet report in Hyperion financial reporting tool. So let's first of all, what is balance sheet? A balance sheet is a financial statement that summarizes a company's assets, liabilities and shareholder equity at a very specific point in time, like 31st of December, as on 31st of December, or as a quarter as on 31st of March, or as per the requirement. So the balance sheet adhered to the following formula. If you look at, this is the formula of the balance sheet. It shows assets. I'm sorry for the delay. It's taking some long time to open Notepad. Okay. So the equation says the formula assets equal to company's liabilities plus shareholders equity. These three balance sheet segments give investors, management, or the creditors an idea that what company owns and what company owes, as well as the amount invested by the shareholders. The balance sheet gets its name from the fact that both the sides of the equation, like assets and liabilities plus shareholder equity, must be balanced out. The balance should be the same. This is intuitive. A company has to pay all for the things it owns, like assets, by their borrowing money, like taking on the liabilities or taking it from the investors or the shareholders. So all the segment assets, liabilities, and shareholder equities each comprise of several smaller accounts that break down, like if we break down assets into the assets means current assets, then long term assets or the non current asset, or these current assets also can segregate or again go to the hierarchy, like cash and cash equivalents. Okay, in the same way, like long term assets like building, equipments, or the machinery. Okay, so this is the hierarchy of assets. Okay, in the same way, liabilities like account payables, debt. Okay, so these are also segregated or abbreviated in long term. or short term for the same. In the same way, equity, owner's equity or shareholders equity. So all this we are going to create the same in Hyperion financial reporting. So I have already created the hierarchy in Hyperion SBase. Okay. So here is my outline. Accounts, then in accounts I have all accounts that shows the balance sheet here. So here is my balance sheet. Balance sheet, then again current assets and liabilities, or assets also abbreviated to be the same, like then the total liabilities and shareholders equity. All the accounts there we have already created for the sampling. Okay, so I'm using the same hierarchy in the in my reports. So let's go to the report first. So this I have opened the Hyperion Financial Reporting Studio. This is a design view where we design the reports. Okay, and this is the workspace where we can have the output of the report. Okay, let's talk first of all. I'm going to create the report. So I click on the symbol just for the new. Okay, it shows now I have a new grid, new reports. So first of all, I'm going to give my image a name. Okay, so I'm going to either I can select the same or I can give the description here first, the balance sheet. Okay, I'm going to click on the insert and click on text so that we can give the report name. You can give the report name with the functions, or you can use write down the same. Okay, I'm going to use the function here. On the left right hand side, you will get on top, that's next to the text property, you will get insert function. These are the function one can use while creating the reports. Most of the function is like HFM or planning or as well one. I'm going to use the function, it's a report description I have already mentioned. Okay, so I'm going to add the same. Okay, okay. So I have selected report functions. One can give the format the name as well. If you want to make it bold, I'm going to make it bold here. Okay, I use a format. Okay, click on bold. I'm also going to add my company logo here. So how we can use the logo in the report? So for the same way, you can go to the insert option, then click on image. Once you click on the image, it will, and after clicking the image, you need to select where you want the image. You want this in header, footer, or mid. Okay, so I'm going to use my company logo on the left hand side on the top. So I select the same. Okay, now I need to select the logo. On the, here is my logo on my desktop. I select the same. I open this. Okay, so this is not showing the complete one. So I'm going to stage the same. Okay, on the left hand side below the select image, you will get the stage option. Okay, so you will get the complete picture, complete image now. Yeah. You can also select the image here with this format. Okay, you can select the image this way. Okay. I use the same. Okay. So we can check it with the output what we have selected. So I'm going to save the reports in the same. in root. That's the folder in workspace. So I'm going to use the folder sample content and wanna give the name of balance sheet. I selected the same. Okay, now we can view the output. For the output, we can also use the HTML format for this way. We can use the option here. You can check the option. It's there. If you can check in my cursor, it's on the top. Okay. So here this shows my company logo and the name. Now I am going to use the grid to insert the balance sheet items. Whenever I am going to select the same, I'll get the option of grid. I select the same, I click on the same in the draw the lines and it shows the connection now, the database connection. I'm going to use the SBase connection here as I have my hierarchy in SBase, okay, the balance sheet hierarchy. Okay, so I click on OK. I'm now it's on dimension layout. Whatever you wanna give in a row or column or page, you can select the dimension here. So I'm going to select my account in a row. I want this account in row and want year in a column. All the remaining dimension I remain in point of view or POV. Now click on OK. Okay. So here is my report designer view. As if on the top, if you look at the period is period, scenario is actual, and it's already selected the scenario is actual. It's coming due to my previous report I have created. Okay. The version shows the final. The scenario actual. Okay. Version is final. In the same way, you can select. Okay. I'm going to use the same accounts. I click on accounts. I want to use the function so that it will be easy to create reports. Okay. So you can select your item from this members. You can select the members here or you can use the functions. I'm going to use the function that descendant so that shows all the member of the balance sheet. I select this descendants. I click on the arrow and it will show the edit descendant function. So which member I want to select, I want to give the value here. Okay, I'm going to select the member of balance sheet. Select on OK. Then I want to give the inclusive member as well, balance sheet name. I select the same. I click on OK. Okay, I remove the account from this and select the only descendants of balance sheet. One can give the member name as well as the alias, or you can use the both. I want to use the alias here. Okay, for the time being. Okay, I select the alias. Okay, I'm going to select the years. I have a data on the years is 2016 and 17, so I'm going to select the same years. Okay, I select the same years in. Okay, I want to give the separate column, or one can have the same column as well, but it will be in a separate column in the report. Okay, now click on OK. Okay, now here we can save the report and check the output what we have selected. Okay, so here you can check it the out. Okay, it's showing now balance sheet. Okay, so this is my balance sheet I have selected. So one can give or spend time with formatting. It's not coming and to, over the night. So one can spend time with formatting. Okay. So give the format to the row or column. Make it bold. Okay. I want to use the color as well on the top. I want to use the color, so that I'm going to click on format. And I want to format this color to the text or color to the background. Choose a light. Use the gray color. Select the same. I click on apply. Now it's showing the same in first row. One can give the lines as well on the all the members on the. One can select the box. So all the numbers will be shown in a box. Apply for the same and click on OK. I want to use also the conditional formatting. I want to make it bold for the parent. This is the application short term equivalents. Okay, I want to bold it all the parents. So I'm going to use the conditional formatting for the same. I'm going to give this formatting on the level. I want to make it more one and more in bold. Okay, I want to format now. So I want to use the color light gray. Okay, I want to make it bold here. I select the bold font. Okay. Now I click on the OK. Okay, so here you go. So just save the same and click on the output. Just close this one. Refresh the same, so the time will refresh. Yeah. So here is my balance sheet. So in this way you can create the balance sheet or select the items of balance sheet. You can give the format according to it, or you change the title. Okay, so that's all from my side. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Or should you have any question, you can visit to our website www.bispsolutions.com.